I'm going to be showing you how to do an edit, like on videostar, and I have all of these different editing apps. I have videostar, Filto are for like filters. That's what I use it for. PixArt, Funimate, and KineMaster. KineMaster is one I used to use when I was younger, but videostar is like for pro, and it's really, really good. So what you're gonna do is, you're just, don't mind my snakes, like, what you're gonna do is, search up, whatever it is you're wanting to, I don't know, whatever pictures you're wanting to edit with, basically. I don't have a good way of, I just don't. Okay, so I'm gonna do a dynamite edit. Alright. So just download some photos. Because it's gonna be really cool. I think it might be cool. I mean, I'm really hoping it's cool because I kinda need it to be. But yeah, I'm just going to download like 4 pictures and then that's all I'm going to do. So, let's get one more picture. Look at Cookie. Ugh, so cute. Okay, so, let's go into photos. See, and I have all of these. I have my 4 photos. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna go and get my audio, and I'll be right back.
Firstly, you are going to need to screenshot or download your free QR codes. Sorry it was taking me forever, I kept getting distracted LMAO. I also found tons of good free transitions, but I had to only choose a few of them. Just enjoy the rest of the video of me taking screenshots of the QR codes. Here's what I've got so far.
Okay guys, so here's how you do an edit. I've already got that one, and I've got that one, but I've still got to edit them again. But I'm just going to show you the basics. Go to New, hit Multi-Layer. Hit Multi-Layer. Gonna hit your picture. Hit Import. And then, you're just gonna, add in your transition. That's basically it. All you're gonna do. So here's what I've got. But I've still got to edit it a little bit. So when I'm done with that, I'll be back to show you guys, like what kind of process I've made. So be looking out for that.
So hey guys, I'm back. I would put this video into its regular speed, but it's really long. I think it is about 4 minutes long, so just watch the time-lapse one, or skip through that part, it's whatever you want.